Hi, I'm George Klein. I'm the liaison officer for Dauphin Island Sea Lab, and I'm one of the advisors for the marine biology program at JSU. The marine biology program at JSU is similar to the other programs in biology, the other concentrations in biology. So everybody has to have introductory biology, BY 101 through 104, the lectures and the labs. You have to have ecology. You have to have cell biology, you have to have genetics, and you have to have Introduction to Research in Biology, BY 370. You also have to have a senior seminar in order to graduate with the degree. As with the other concentrations, you have to have a Group 1 class, which is a how organisms work kind of class, so a physiology or molecular biology kind of class. And you have to have a whole organism class, a Group 2 class. And then finally, you have to have 8 hours of electives. For the marine biology program, we require 16 hours of marine biology. The 16 hours include a course in marine botany, which you will have a choice of 1 or 2 classes. Everybody's required to have marine ecology. You can choose from 2 zoology classes, either marine vertebrate biology or marine invertebrate biology. And then you have a choice of 4 hours of elective biologies. Those classes can substitute for the Group 1 or the Group 2 and possibly the Group 1 classes if you pick and choose well. These marine biology classes are typically offered at Dauphin Island Sea Lab, although you may take marine biology courses at other sea labs if you so desire. Dauphin Island Sea Lab courses run in May for a 2-week session, and they have 4-week sessions in June, July, and August of each year. As a marine biology major, you have your choice of starting either between your sophomore and junior year and taking 2 classes during the summer at Dauphin Island, and then taking your final 2 classes at the Sea Lab between your junior and senior year. Or you can start taking summer classes between your junior and senior year, finish off your coursework at JSU, and then spend a following summer for your last 2 classes for your undergraduate degree and finish up down at the Sea Lab and finish in August. And that's really your call. It's best that when you apply for the Sea Lab that you do have some coursework under your belt. Our experience has been that students that go immediately from their freshman year and try to take classes don't do as well down at the Sea Lab as they could. So we recommend that you wait at least until between your sophomore and junior year. Summer bulletins that are produced by Dauphin Island Sea Lab arrive in late December or the first part of January. Those are then distributed to students that are interested. Students are advised and then fill out the forms and return all of their information along with a registration fee to me. I then forward those to Dauphin Island Sea Lab, whose deadline is usually the middle of February. The Sea Lab takes all of the applications for registration, and they give them a priority. For those that are arrive before the deadline, they get top priority. And for those that are taking classes that are required for the concentration at their home institution, they are given the highest priorities. Students are placed in the classes until the classes are full. And then the students that are in those classes are notified of their selection and which classes they are selected for. Upon receiving that notification, students come back to the liaison officer, and between the students and the liaison officer, they register for their summer classes through their home institution, through JSU. You have to be registered through JSU in order to attend the C-Lab, but you have to get confirmation from the C-Lab first. In order to go to the C-Lab, you are going to be required to pay a registration fee. You will be required to pay an activities fee, which will help pay for boat travel, travel around the island. It pays for a lot of fees that the C-Lab will incur while you're down there. Oh, you'll also, if you stay at the C-Lab, you will pay both room and board. Those fees are set and announced in the bulletin that you get each year, so you can know what the costs are going to be prior to going down. I would plan on the year before you go down to the C-Lab, I would start looking at the bulletin for costs, just so you can start saving up. There are also programs that will help you pay for going to the C-Lab. Dauphin Island C-Lab has a fellowship, or has a couple of fellowships that you may apply for that will, in some cases, pay your whole tuition and your room and board down there. They have fellowships that may pay for either tuition or your room or your meal costs. They also have work-study programs that will help you pay for your room and board as well. Additionally, JSU offers a fellowship that will cover either full tuition or partial tuition while you're down at Dauphin Island C-Lab. The most important thing here is come see me or come see the liaison officer as soon as you start thinking about Dauphin Island. Start planning a little in advance to save up to be able to go to the C-Lab. And when you go down, give it 110%. Thanks a lot.